Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best floor cord covers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any home or office, especially when it comes to maintaining a clean, safe, and organized living or working space, as these ingenious devices are designed to discreetly hide and protect unsightly electrical cords that often clutter our floors, posing tripping hazards and detracting from the overall aesthetic of a room, making them an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to enhance both the safety and visual appeal of their environment. Number 5. Sleek Socket Original Flat Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of bulky, messy cords? Our patented flat extension cord kit discreetly hides your outlets and cables, enhancing your home's appearance. It's perfect for small spaces and behind furniture, keeping your area tidy and organized. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in seamlessly. It reduces clutter and hazards, making any room look cleaner and more visually appealing. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it like a regular plug to your existing outlet. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed, making it incredibly user-friendly. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight with the included adhesive cord concealer kit. Removable adhesive strips and clips ensure a tidy and cost-effective solution. It works with all standard duplex outlets, ensuring a versatile fit for various setups. Use it anywhere you need to organize cords and conceal outlets discreetly. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but this kit also provides extra power. It includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more usable outlets while keeping your space neat. Designed in the USA by a family-owned business, it meets all applicable UL safety standards. You can trust its quality and safety for your home. What we like? This is the perfect solution for hiding bulky cords and outlets behind furniture. It requires no tools for installation, simply plugging into your existing outlet. If you're looking to declutter your living room or bedroom and want a seamless look, this is the one for you. What people say. The cord covers are easy to install and blend in well with the floor. They effectively hide cords and prevent tripping hazards. The material is durable and holds up well to foot traffic. Number 4. D-Line 6-foot floor cord cover, black. Are you concerned about dangerous trailing cords creating trip hazards in your space? Our innovative solution is designed to keep your floors safe and tidy. This heavy-duty cord hider effectively conceals and protects your extension cords and other trailing wires. It's the perfect way to prevent accidental trips and damage to your cables. Made from flexible PVC, it uncoils easily and lays flat without any hassle. You can even cut it to the perfect size for your needs with simple tools. It features a non-slip ribbed base and a pre-split rear, ensuring it stays securely in place without the need for adhesives. This ensures maximum safety and convenience. Ideal for offices, warehouses, events, and homes, it neatly hides cords in any setting. Keep your environment safe and organized with this essential cable management tool. Its inner channel is designed to accommodate cables up to 0.63 inches wide and 0.31 inches high, offering ample space for your wiring needs. What we like? This heavy-duty floor cord cover is designed to protect cords and prevent tripping hazards in high-traffic areas. Its non-slip base keeps it securely in place. If you need a robust solution for offices, event spaces, or warehouses, this durable option will keep your cables safe and out of the way. What people say. The cord covers are very sturdy and durable, able to withstand heavy foot traffic without any issues. The design is sleek and low profile, blending seamlessly with the floor and avoiding tripping hazards. Installation was a breeze, with a simple peel and stick adhesive that holds the covers firmly in place. Number 3. TESSAN Flat Extension Cord Power Strip with USB. Safeguard your electronics with advanced surge, overload, and short circuit protection. It automatically shuts off during overloads, ensuring your devices are always protected. Expand your power options with 4 AC outlets, 1 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports. This allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Equipped with 3 USB ports, including a 3A Max USB-C port, it efficiently charges your cell phone, tablet, and earphones. Meet all your multi-port charging needs with ease. The ultra-thin flat plug fits easily into tight spaces and can be hidden behind furniture. Its 45-degree right-angled design ensures it won't block other outlets. Easily manage your space with 2 mounting holes for wall or workbench installation. For non-slip rubber feet, keep it securely in place on any surface. What we like. This extension cord offers a convenient flat plug that fits easily into tight spaces behind furniture. It also provides multiple USB ports for charging devices simultaneously and includes surge protection for your electronics. If you need a versatile power solution for your home office or dorm room that can charge multiple devices at once, this is a great choice. What people say. The cord covers are very durable and have protected the cords from foot traffic. Easy to install and they blend in well with the floor. The covers keep the cords organized and prevent tripping hazards. Number 2. Cordinate 6-foot heavy-duty floor cord cover. Tired of tripping over unsightly cords? This heavy-duty solution allows you to safely run cables across any floor or wall. Protect your cords and prevent dangerous trips without worry. Its low-profile, rounded design seamlessly conceals your cables and extension cords. The black finish blends in with your decor, and it's designed to allow wheels to roll over it easily. Installation is a breeze thanks to the split channel on the bottom. It easily secures to most surfaces with the included double-sided tape, no cutting required. At 6 feet long, it's extensive enough for most needs, but easily cut to size for shorter distances. Its slim width ensures a perfect fit for any cable management challenge. Crafted from durable, flexible PVC material, it's built to withstand heavy traffic. It's ideal for cord management in busy areas like event venues or warehouses. What we like. This cord cover offers a low-profile, rounded surface that blends discreetly with your decor and allows wheels to roll over it easily. The split channel on the bottom makes installation a breeze. If you need a durable yet unobtrusive way to manage cords across open floors in a home or workspace, this is an excellent option. What people say. The cord covers are very durable and have held up well to foot traffic. They effectively hide unsightly cords, making the room look much tidier. The adhesive on the back is strong and keeps the cover securely in place. Number 1. X-Protector Silicone Floor Cord Cover. Are you constantly worried about tripping over loose cables or damaging your power cords? We have the perfect solution to keep your floors safe and tidy. This innovative cord cover is designed to solve all your cable management problems. Its unique design ensures your cords are protected and out of the way. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free silicone and featuring a strong adhesive tape, this protector is built to last. It stays flat and secure on your floor for long-term use. No matter your flooring type, this cord cover is suitable for all surfaces. The heavy-duty adhesive tape ensures a secure fit on any material, providing reliable protection. Featuring a generously sized opening, it can accommodate plenty of cables and wires. You can be confident that all your essential cords will be safely housed and protected. We guarantee your satisfaction with our floor cord cover. If you're not completely happy, we offer a full refund. Order yours now and experience a safer, tidier space. What we like. Made from premium, BPA-free silicone, this cord cover features a large channel to accommodate plenty of cables. It also comes with strong self-adhesive tape for easy installation on any floor surface. If you're looking for a flexible and robust solution to protect your cords on the floor and want to ensure it fits a substantial number of wires, this is the product for you. What people say. The cord covers are very sturdy and hold cords securely. Easy to install and blend well with flooring. Great for keeping cords organized and out of the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.